Next Wednesday, the 30th of June, People Before Profit will be bringing a bill before Dail Eireann which aims to give retired workers rights. It's called the Amendment to the Industrial Relations Act Bill, Retired Workers' Rights, and it's very important, and it's been supported by all of the retired workers' associations, bar none. When we bailed out the banks, or at least when the government bailed out the banks over 10 years ago, pensioners' rights were really decimated, and retired workers have suffered the results of that. It means that retired workers who worked all their lives for this country in semi-state, in state structures, have very, very little pensions to live on. And they have no rights to go before the Workplace Relations Commission or the Labour Court. This bill will give them that representation, and we want to get the full support across all parties to get this bill over the line. And when we get to committee stage, and it's urgent that we do this, we're open to taking amendments from the establishment parties, but don't block it. And we call on all retired workers to email, phone call everyone in your constituency who represents you and say you must support this bill, because it's the first opportunity to give probably about 250,000 pensioners the right to have representation. That's hugely important. It's only democratic, and it needs to be done urgently, because this is about the future of other workers who are about to retire. So even if you're not retired yet, it is still important for you to get onto your TDs, your councillors, and to make sure in particular that the government parties don't scupper this bill. After all, retired workers are not retired voters.